back to After Hours, everybody. Hey, let's give our DJ, our guest DJ, a little love. Let's give it up for JT Quick. Nice. Well, these two local producers are about to blow up working on tracks with Kanye West. Look for them to be the next big thing to come out of KC. Please welcome music producers Jess Tone.
Yay! Good to see you. Welcome, you guys.
Thank you.
All right, have a seat. Have a seat. All right. Jess Tone.
Okay, what are the real names? Because I know Tone is not on your birth certificate.
Anthony.
Anthony and oh, Josh, you're Jewish.
Anthony, Tone, Josh, Jess.
You look it.
Yeah, I got that look.
Yeah.
Sure.
Salome. Hey, tell us how did you guys get together?
Man, we're actually family. It's cousins.
Oh, really?
Oh, see, but I didn't
We've always
know
been
that.
together.
Yay.
Yeah.
Born and raised Kansas City?
I'm from Kansas City.
I'm
from New Orleans.
Okay, all right,
Wow.
great.
And so the music thing, how did that transpire? I mean, you guys are family, that's great, but how did you guys hook up and how did you find out that you guys wanted to do music?
I mean, that actually happened when we were 14 and 15. Our cousin...
Not just a couple of years ago.
Right,
yeah.
exactly.
Yeah.
20 minutes ago.
Because I'm 17.
Obviously.
You got
All
a
right, so
hormone.
another
You got a
cousin.
hormone issue with all
he
this.
does.
Yeah.
He's seeing an endocrinologist about it. It's cool.
Steroids or something? I don't know.
barber.
Oh.
When we were 14 and 15, our cousin Gary passed away. He was really big into music, and when he passed away, our aunt passed us along his keyboard.
Oh, okay.
It's a Yamaha. Well,
Yamaha. You
So
know,
Yamaha?
keyboard, yeah.
Old school.
Old school.
Cool.
Old school.
Did it have its drums on it too?
It did. The
I
little
love
drum
that.
patches.
Yeah,
You know,
like-
you play your little demo songs on it.
Like old
It
school.
was good.
So that's
It
what
was good.
started it. That's what started the
what started
love.
it.
That's
Yeah.
great. That's so organic. That's great. It is. It's such like a pure beginning.
Yeah.
It's like
I like
a
that.
little keyboard.
I like that.
Musical influences.
Oh,
Tell us about
Quincy
those.
Jones.
Okay,
Like
good,
Quincy,
good,
of
good. What else?
course.
What else?
Timbaland.
Okay.
Timbaland.
Excellent.
Definitely.
The Neptunes.
Yep.
I mean, we're a production duo. I mean, the Neptunes are very influential to us. You know?
All right, so we got to ask, how'd you get involved with Kanye West?
Man, just connections. Definitely being a
Really?
producer, you gotta, always be out there, putting your name out there. A lot of people know us in Kansas City. We got a couple tracks out at the clubs and stuff like that. So, I mean, just shopping ourselves around. Some people knew somebody, and we just hooked up. And we got a call, said we heard your track. We want to get in the studio. So.
What do you think of what's going on with him recently and his saying he wants less fans and all this crap that's out there about him?
I mean,
Like they're going to tell you what they think.
I'd like to know what they think.
I mean, we're not gonna tell her what we know, but we'll tell her what we think.
Yeah, don't tell me what you know. It's cool. They'll tell me that later.
Kanye's just different. He's
Yeah.
unique.
You think? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean,
No shag.
red jeans.
I love his style. I love his style, by the way.
The new hairstyle. Have you seen it?
Yeah, But to each his own. I appreciate the way you said that, though. He's unique. He's unique.
I mean, to each his own.
Joshua, any comments?
You know
Calling
what?
him Joshua?
Well, it's his biblical name. I'm going to keep that.
Mom? No. But
Yes, son.
Kanye, he like you said, he's just different. He's always out trying to do something different. The whole fan thing. I don't know if you meant that, but
Okay.
the
Could have been out of
hair,
context.
the
could've
style. I mean,
been the Venetian blinds.
yes, yes.
I mean, he sort of moved on from that, but that one still sticks with me.
Yeah.
He's kind of like your generation's Prince.
True.
Wow.
Well
Because
said.
Prince
I didn't
used,
think about that.
Prince
Well
used
said.
to
That's
do
true.
off-the-wall stuff, am I straight or gay, wearing
Open booty.
garter belts,
I think
the butt-out pants.
Yes.
Kanye West is less androgynous than Prince. Prince is pretty friggin' androgynous.
No, Prince did
that's
whatever-
a great word, by the
Prince
way.
did whatever
That's
he
right.
wanted to.
I know things.
I mean, but you have to admire someone that does what he wants to do.
Totally.
Yeah.
You know?
Right.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So are you guys at that point now where you're doing what you want to do, or is the business slapping you in the face saying, okay, we got to fall into the cookie cutter type of stuff?
That's what I think makes a good producer is sticking to what you know and what you want to do. Like a lot of people fall into, doing what's popular and things like that, but it might take more time just sticking to your guns, but, after a long run, it pays off. It pays off.
Well,
That's what makes you
Well
different.
said.
guys, we wish you a lot of luck.
Yeah, it's such an honor to have you guys here. Thank you so much for being here
Thanks for
on
having
our
me.
little local, sad little local
It's
show.
cute, ain't it? This whole,
I like the whole setup.
yeah.
It's hot.
So maybe with you guys on here, like 6 people will start watching it versus like the 4 that are already watching it. I love it.
It's really a good look for Kansas City.
Yeah, good. Glad to hear
Thank you,
it.
thank you.
You know,
And where can people find you guys, like on the internet, if they want to hear some of your tracks or whatever like
Yes,
that?
MySpace, definitely. It's MySpace /JessTone Beats. Facebook. We also, we're about to start a website, JessToneBeats.com, so check that out. And definitely go get the CD. Kanye West and Malik Youssef presents Good Morning, Good Night. Launches
Spring 09.
That's awesome.
March,
Maybe the next
something
two months.
Awesome.
You know the music
Good for
business.
you guys.
know.
Right.
that out.
Exactly. Good for you guys. It's
Wow.
awesome. Such an honor to meet you guys.
Thank you.
so much for
The
being
pleasure's
here.
ours.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jess Tone.
All right, Andrea, tell us what's next.
Coming up next, 5 women you won't want to miss. The Unreal Housewives of Kansas City. When Kansas City After Hours continues.